Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we solve exercise number 3-4 from Arena Boot. In exercise 3-4 you have to implement the change to your model number 3-1 as described in exercise 2-4 from chapter 2. So here is exercise 2-4, and in exercise 2-4 actually you have to perform a hand simulation of simple processing system. Suppose that a constant setup time of 3 minutes was required once a part entered the drill press, but before it served or its service could actually be done. So we have to actually implement this setup time information in exercise number 3-4, and we have to actually build the changes in model 3-1 as we discussed in previous exercises. Okay, so specific to exercise 3-4, to implement this setup time of 3 minutes in exercise 3-4, first you need to open the process module and change its type to delay type to expression. And how we can build the expression? Definitely we use the expression builder to build it, and we have to run the same model for 20 minutes. This is the part 1 of exercise 3-4. In the second part, the author said you have to run the same model in part A to 48 hours instead of 20 minutes, and you have to change the time axis value from 20 minutes to 2880 minutes, and the major increment to change is to 240. Okay, so let's start the video. So I'm moving to the arena screen, and here you can see exactly the same model 3-1 is opened. There is nothing changed in parts arrived to system, but we are actually changing the expression in process module. So previously it was the triangular distribution. We are still using the triangular distribution to processing the parts, but a setup time of 3 minutes was required once a part entered the drill press before its service actually began. So that's why plus 3 is added in this expression. So if you right click this expression field, simply click the build expression button, and here you can move to the random distribution, and under random distribution you simply click the triangular distribution, and under triangular distribution put the minimum value, most likely, and maximum value, and then simply click this plus button and type 3, and your expression is ready, and the rest of the field will remain same under the process module, and then simply click OK, and parts leave the system will remain same, and the charts would also remain the same. So move to the run setup, make a one application for 20 minutes simulation, simply click OK and run the simulation, and after 20 minutes simulation simply click this yes button to view the results. So under this category overview report you can see the entity or the part that into the system was 7, and the number out of the part is equal to 3, and under queue menu you can found the drill center queue waiting time, average waiting time is 7.44, and the number waiting is 3.10, and maximum value is 5. So if you compare all these results to exercise 2-4, then you found that all the values are consistent but not identical. As you can see, total production is equal to 3, and here its number out is again 3. That's cool, but the average waiting time in queue is uh, 6.25 minutes per part. Or if you move to the queue, and here you can see the average waiting time is 7.44, but here its value is 6.25. So similarly rest of the values can easily be compared with this arena category overview report. But the issue is the underlying random number stream is being used in a different order after a while to generate the inter-arrival and service time, since the order of event is not the same. This is natural and merely understood the need to do a proper statistical analysis of simulation results. Okay, now let's move to the second part of exercise 3-4, which is the time for running the simulation is 48 hours instead of 20 minutes, and you have to change the time axis value. So simply double click the chart and click the axis tab, and under the axis tab click the time axis, and here you found the label scale and make a change these two cell values, and then simply click OK, and the values would be changed. Exactly do the same procedure for the other chart. Make sure the drill center Q is triangular distributed with 1 3 6 its parameter plus 3, that is the setup time as we already discussed. So after move to the run setup and made here 48 hours simulation instead of 20 minutes, then simply click OK, and now let's run the simulation. So the simulation is running, so let's fast forward it. Click the yes button, and here you can also get the useful insights that was asked in the question. So you can see in this 48 hours run, the queue length graph appears to be getting higher and higher, indicating that the system may be exploded. This is because the average service time is 6.33, that is larger than the average inter-arrival time, that is 5. How the average service time is 6.33? Because if you take the average value of triangular distribution, mean the mean value of triangular distribution, and then sum the setup time that's equal to 3, then you will get the value 6.33. So the parts are arriving on average faster than they are served, that causing the eventual explosion. So if you want to see the higher the queue length, so let's run the simulation again, but not in the fast forward mode. First, simply click this left button or to increase the queue length like this. And now let's run the model again to see the queue length. And here you can see the queue length is goes higher and higher, right? Okay, so it's all about exercise number 3-4. Thank you.